In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're looking to annotate PDFs, fill out forms, or simply need a reliable tool to view your files, getting Adobe Acrobat activated is a key step. Let's dive into the simple process of getting this powerful software up and running on your device. The first thing you need to do is open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you feel comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar and type in Adobe Acrobat. This will lead you to the official Adobe website where you can begin the download process. It's important to always download software from the official site to ensure you're getting a legitimate copy and to avoid any malware or issues that might come from unofficial sources. Now that you've found the Adobe Acrobat page, you'll need to begin the download. Look for the download button, which is usually prominently displayed on the page. Click it and the download process will start. Depending on your internet connection, this can take a few minutes or longer. It's a good idea to grab a cup of coffee or do a quick stretch while waiting, ensuring that you're ready for the next step. As the download wraps up, make sure to locate the file on your computer and open it to start the installation process. You'll be prompted to enter your personal information, specifically your bank details. Don't worry, this is required to initiate your 7-day free trial. Adobe needs this information for when the trial ends, giving you a seamless transition to a paid plan if you choose to continue using their services. Remember, you can cancel anytime during the trial if you decide it's not for you. Once you've entered your information and the installation is complete, congratulations. Your Adobe Acrobat is now activated. You're ready to start exploring all the functionality it has to offer, from editing and annotating PDFs to more advanced tasks like creating fillable forms. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the features available to you during this trial period so you can make the most informed decision about whether you want to continue using Adobe Acrobat. Thank you for joining me in this video on how to activate Adobe Acrobat. I hope you found this guide helpful and are now ready to take full advantage of what Adobe Acrobat can do for you. If you have any questions or run into any difficulties during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Enjoy your new PDF tools and have a productive time using Adobe Acrobat.